Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best suspension trainers available on the market right now. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone looking to stay active at home, we've got you covered with detailed reviews of these top-rated products. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Bodyweight Resistance Training Straps. This suspension trainer is built for versatility, offering a full-body workout experience for users of all fitness levels. With its high-quality polyester fiber construction and high-density nylon straps, durability is certainly a highlight. The non-slip, anti-skid rubber handles provide a strong grip, ensuring safety during intense routines. The straps are designed for a wide range of exercises, targeting everything from your arms and core to your legs and back. It's also highly portable, making it ideal for at-home use or workouts on the go. The kit includes adjustable resistance straps, a door anchor, and an extension strap, giving you multiple setup options whether you're using a door, horizontal bar, or even a tree outdoors. However, while it's a solid choice, it doesn't quite match the premium feel of higher-ranked options on this list. On the downside, the straps lack some of the advanced features seen in competitors, such as app integration or advanced ergonomics. Still, for its price and versatility, it's a great entry point into suspension training. If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills solution, the Bodyweight Resistance Training Straps are worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Hone Suspension Straps Training Kit. This product offers a unique combination of simplicity and practicality. One of its standout features is the built-in door anchor, which eliminates the need for separate attachments. Simply attach the anchor to a sturdy door, and you're ready to work out in seconds. The straps are tested to hold up to 700 pounds, ensuring safety even during high-intensity workouts. The kit is designed for all fitness levels, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises to build strength, flexibility, and core stability. It comes with a mesh carry bag, a training poster, and even a safety sign, making it a travel-friendly option. The compact design is perfect for individuals who need a portable gym setup. However, the lack of advanced features like app support or a more comprehensive accessory pack may leave some users wanting more. While the straps are practical and durable, they may feel a bit basic for advanced users looking for premium features. On the plus side, the quick setup and lightweight design make it an excellent choice for beginners or travelers. If you value convenience and portability, the Home Suspension Straps Training Kit is a solid pick. Taking the number 3 spot is the Home Resistance Training Kit. This suspension trainer is a complete package designed to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Made from high-density nylon and strong polyester fiber, it boasts excellent durability. The grip-proof handles and heavy-duty carabiners add an extra layer of safety, making it reliable for intense workouts. What sets the kit apart is its versatility. It includes adjustable straps, a door anchor, extension straps, and a travel-friendly carrying bag. Whether you're at home, in the office, or outdoors, this kit transforms any space into your personal gym. The setup process is quick and easy, making it ideal for busy professionals who want a no-hassle workout solution. Additionally, provides dedicated customer support, ensuring you get the most out of your purchase. On the downside, while it offers great value, the kit doesn't have the brand recognition or advanced app integration that some higher-ranked options provide. Still, for its quality and comprehensive accessory pack, it's an excellent mid-tier choice for anyone looking to elevate their fitness routine. Our runner-up, the Body Torque Suspension Trainer, is a fantastic option for both beginners and advanced users. Built with high-grade webbing and double stitching, this suspension trainer is designed to withstand punishment, with a maximum weight capacity of 450 pounds. The separate straps offer better ergonomics compared to single anchor point designs, providing greater comfort and stability during workouts. One of the standout features of the Body Torque system is its detachable handles. This allows you to swap in other attachments like ropes or Olympic rings, giving you more flexibility in your workout routine. The kit is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for outdoor workouts or travel. With its durable construction and thoughtful design, this suspension trainer is built to last. While the Body Torque system is highly versatile, it lacks app integration and some of the extra perks offered by our top pick. However, if you're looking for a robust, customizable suspension trainer that can handle a variety of exercises, the Body Torque suspension trainer is an excellent choice. Finally, at the top of our list is the TRX Go suspension trainer system. TRX is a household name in the world of suspension training, and the Go system lives up to the brand's reputation. This lightweight, portable system is perfect for anyone looking to stay fit on the go. It includes a suspension training strap, indoor-outdoor anchors, and a mesh carry bag. Plus, you get access to the TRX Training Club app, which offers over 500 on-demand workouts guided by certified trainers. The TRX Go system is designed for all fitness levels and goals, whether you're aiming to build muscle, burn fat, or improve mobility. The straps themselves are made from high-quality nylon with foam handles for added comfort. Setup is a breeze, and the included app provides a wealth of resources to help you get the most out of your workouts. The combination of premium build quality, user-friendly design, and extensive workout options makes this the best suspension trainer on the market. The only downside is the higher price point compared to other options, but the value you get in return is unmatched. With its proven track record, exceptional design, and the backing of a renowned fitness brand, the TRX Go suspension trainer system is the ultimate choice for fitness enthusiasts. User-friendly design and extensive workout options makes this the best suspension trainer on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect suspension trainer for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth product reviews. Got questions about any of these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.